Luxury watches, TikTok, and a 95% discount. Sounds like a bad joke, right? But that's exactly what's making the rounds right now under the name Valerio Pianna. So how can a so-called Italian luxury brand sell a $1,700 watch for 80 bucks? Let's figure this out together. Maybe you've already seen one of those TikTok clips, the ones where someone says, hey, check this out. I found a secret promo code they forgot to remove. Then they type it in, test staff 123, and boom, the price drops by 95%. People in the comments are losing it. No way, it actually worked. Yeah, let's see if it really does. I opened the official Valerio Pianna website. The design looks clean and minimal, all that elegance starts here kind of talk. All right, here's their Astra Gray watch, $1,750. Let's add it to the cart, go through checkout, and now apply that same code. And wow, it really changes the price. The total goes down to $87.50 from almost $2,000. Pretty wild, huh? But that's where things start to smell a bit off. So let's take a closer look. Here's the watch. Nice pictures, shiny metal, skeleton dial, and the whole mastery of time nonsense. I noticed something interesting. The hands on the dial, the shadows, the reflections. Every detail looks too perfect. So I take one of those images and run a reverse image search. And boom, the same watch shows up on AliExpress. Exactly the same photos, same angle, same lighting, same hand positions, even the same background blur. And the price there? About $23. Yeah, you heard that right, 23 bucks. You could buy 7 of these for the fake discount price and still have change left for lunch. Turns out it's not Italian at all. It's a cheap Forsining 344D automatic watch straight out of a mass factory in China. They didn't even bother changing the pictures, just slapped on a new name, called it Valerio Pianna, and added a few zeros to the price tag. Okay, maybe it's at least a real company? Let's see. I checked the contacts. Nothing. No address, no phone number, no social media, no email, just a tiny form that goes who knows where. For a luxury brand, that's kind of weird, don't you think? Alright, maybe the domain gives a clue. Nope again. Registered on October 6, 2025, literally a few weeks ago. No owner info, no business record, no trace of an actual company, and when I check for reviews, 0. Trustpilot is empty, Google's empty, not a single mention anywhere. It's like the brand was born yesterday because, well, it was. So what's really happening? They're taking cheap AliExpress watches, inventing a fancy Italian story, and promoting it with viral TikTok videos. The staff code trick is just bait. It makes you think you found a hidden deal, but the deal is on you, and that's the classic dropshipping scam playbook. Create fake luxury branding, crank up the price, add a fake discount, and make it look like you got away with a steal, when in reality, they're the ones cashing in. So if you see another forgotten employee promo code or secret insider discount, that's your red flag right there. If it feels too good to be true, it is. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, stay skeptical, and don't let fake luxury drain your real money. See you in the next one.